Hello my dear students. Today I am going to start class 8 English grammar 6th chapter, and that is the correct use of articles. A and N are known as indefinite articles. The is known as the definite articles. We use A before a consonant. We use N before a vowel. We use the when we speak of a particular person or thing. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, before the names of things that are unique, with the names of books, rivers, seas, ocean, a group of island and mountain range. Before the superlative degrees, we put the. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood, we use the. Now, here's the exercise. Exercise 6.1. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. First, I saw dash one-eyed man, and the correct answer is A. We use A because whenever O sounded as O, we use consonant. Second, dash hen has laid dash egg, and the answer is the because it represents a particular things, and we use N before egg because it represents a vowel sound. Third, dash umbrella is a useful thing, and the answer is N. Fourth, dash sun gives us light and heat. We use the because the name of sun are unique things, so we put the. Fifth, have you read dash Ramayana, and the answer is the because it indicates the book's name. Sixth, this is not dash book she want, and the answer is the. Next, dash Ganga is dash skirt river, and the answer is the and a. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your book. Now, question number second, at the where necessary. First, Hindus worship cow. We use the because it represents a particular thing. So, the answer is the Hindus worship the cow. Second, honesty is best policy, and the answer is honesty is the best policy. We use the before best because it represents a superlative degree, so we put the. Third, I go for a walk in evening, and the answer is I go for a walk in the evening. Fourth, shut door but open window. Shut the door but open the window. Fifth, can you draw map of India? Can you draw the map of India? Sixth, did you hear about accident? Did you hear about the accident? Seven, we should help sick and poor. We should help the sick and the poor. Eight, girl with long hair is my cousin. The girl with long hair is my cousin. Ninth, can you count all the stars in the sky? Can you count all the stars in the sky? 10. Man is the only animal that uses fire. Man is the only animal that uses fire. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your notebook. Question number third, rewrite each sentence correctly. First, she is an honest lady, and the answer is she is an honest lady. We use an because a silent H. Second, the time is a money. Time is money. Third, the game came to an. The game came to an end. Fourth, she returned after an hour. She returned after an hour. Fifth, the gold is precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. Sixth, he is honorable person. He is an honorable person. Seventh, let us go and bath in river. And the correct answer is let us go and bath in the river. We use the because in the names of river. Next one is the English is spoken by English. English is spoken by the English. Ninth, he waited for his friend for an hour, and the answer is he waited for his friend for an hour. 10. You are a man who can do this job. You are the man who can do this job. My dear student, rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your notebook. Question number 4. Rewrite the passage adding a and the where necessary. There were once three artists. They were competing for dash prize and the answer is A because P start with a consonant sound. One of them painted a garland of flowers. It was so beautiful that we came and settled on picture. Dash we thought dash flowers were real. And the answer is the B thought the flower were real. Dash second artist painted a basket of fruit and the answer is the dash fruit looks so real that dash on tried to eat it. And the correct answer is the fruit looked so real that an ox tried to eat. Dash third artist painted dash curtain and the answer is the third artist painted a curtain. The three pictures were placed before dash judge and the answer is A. Dash just tried to raise the curtain in dash picture and the answer is the just tried to raise the curtain in the picture. This picture was declared the best since it had deceived a man. The other pictures had deceived only an animal and insect. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.